Let's go. We just got to Wally World.
Oh, darn.
They have all the stuff for Christmas. Nice. These smell great. I'll get 2 packs. O tienen más luz allá. So I'm gonna get 2 of these.
It's awesome.
David wants to try these.
We'll try, man.
I'm gonna get this one.
Get you.
Hot cocoa kisses. What the heck? Milk chocolate with marshmallow flavored cream. That is not. Okay, so we just got these little like
Trays.
plate.
Yeah,
There's a 2 they're plates that they have here. So we're probably gonna have that for lunch. Look at the view. So beautiful. We have to eat in the car because we have to go somewhere else to see if we can find aloe vera. So now we came to the Asian market. See if we can find some aloe here. Of course they have it here. Thank you. Now I'm just gonna put the stuff we got where it goes. That's it, folks. That's all we got. We just put the lights around. Now I'm getting ready to cook some lunch. So now they're all cut, and I'm gonna go ahead and start putting them to fry. Now I'm just gonna cut some garlic. Now I'm gonna start making the rice. So this is the first batch of the potatoes I already fried. This is the remainder of the potatoes. Right next to it is the meat that I'm cooking. And then this is dinner is done. But I'm going to turn it off because we are actually gonna go to the park. We're just getting to Quail Lake Park. This is the view of the trail at the park.
Cool. Nice. Nice catch.
It's freezing. So cold.
Baby, it's cold outside. we're heading home, leaving Coeur Lake Park to go bake a cake and eat dinner and just have the rest of the night at home. For it is quite freezing out here, is it not?
It's super cold.
Yeah, my hands are still trying to thaw out. Just one more look at this view.
Instead of baking a cake, we're going to get some ice cream.
Twist.
I got mine dipped in chocolate and he got a regular one. But it's a neat place. You just drive through and get your ice cream. How's your ice cream?
Amazing. Love it.
So I think we're going to be calling it a night.
Bye.
Always remember to carpe diem. Till next time.